loves, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I am back with another updated curly hair routine, and for this video I have teamed up with Jameson Vitamins to share with you guys how I've been caring for my postpartum curls on the inside as well as on the outside. So if you would like to hear all about my updated postpartum routine, then just keep watching.
Okay, so to start this video off, I'm just going to say that my hair care routine has not changed at all. I am still using all the same products, and I will have them linked down below in the description box for you guys. So during this video, I'm just going to share with you guys my top 4 tips when it comes to caring for your postpartum hair. Now that I am 14 months postpartum, I definitely struggle with finding the perfect balance for my hair. I definitely don't have the time to invest in my hair care routine as much as I did in the past, so I've noticed that I have to make sure that I am caring for myself on the inside as well as on the outside if I want to have the same results I was getting in the past. So tip number 1 for having healthy postpartum hair is to take your vitamins. Since becoming a mom, I barely have time to eat a very well-balanced meal. It usually ends up with me eating whatever Elisa leaves over for me to clean up at the end of her meal. So to make sure my body is getting all of the nutrients that it is needing, I make sure to take a vitamin. Now, I was taking Jameson prenatal vitamins packed with DHA in the past while I was pregnant and up until I was 7 months postpartum, but since I stopped breastfeeding 7 months post-baby, I stopped taking my prenatal vitamins, and I noticed a huge change in my hair. My postpartum shedding picked right back up again, and I've noticed that my hair isn't as thick and full as it once was. So to assist with that, I started taking the Jameson Advanced Hair, Skin, and Nail Vitamins that are packed with 22 key ingredients, including biotin, to help with the growth of my hair. This is essential. If you want to have healthy hair, skin, nails, you have to make sure that what you're putting in your body is just as healthy as the products that you are putting on the outside. Tip number 2 is making sure that you are drinking water. Of course, staying hydrated is super important. So you can use as many hydrating products as you want, but if you are not hydrating yourself on the inside, your hair and your skin and your nails are definitely going to show that. Tip number 3, avoid heat as much as possible. Now, this is something I struggle with, and I've been struggling with it for a very long time. Giving up heat styling is definitely not something I can see myself doing because of the fact that I like to switch up my hair to go with my many different moods. But using heat in moderation or avoiding it altogether is definitely going to help to prevent damaging your hair. During the shedding process, your hair is obviously getting thinner, and the more heat styling you use on that thin hair, the more prone you are to heat damage. So avoiding that altogether is definitely going to be a huge help, but if you struggle with it like I do, then everything in moderation will help. And tip number 4, going for regular haircuts. Going for regular trims to help get rid of any split ends will definitely help with your hair growth. I just suggest avoiding having any layers added to your hair while going through the shedding process. Your hair is already thinning, and layers will just make it look even more thin than it actually needs to be. So to avoid adding layers during your postpartum shedding period is definitely ideal, and just stick with one blunt cut like I do. If you do have curls, it may make your hair look a little boxy or a little triangular, but honestly, it'll help your hair look thicker and fuller as you're going through the shedding process.
And there you have it, guys, my updated postpartum hair care routine. If you have any questions whatsoever, let me know down in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to answer as many as I possibly can. And if you enjoyed this curly hair routine, if you'd like to see more fun curly hairstyles, remember to give this video a big thumbs up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in our next video.